Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 8 chapter. New chapter. That is quadrilaterals. Telangana State Book page number 174 to 177. Okay? Yeah, those are topics it's over in previous class. Today we will learn the exercise problems. In Telangana State Book page number 178. Okay, today we will learn the first and second bit. Today we will learn it only in this session. Okay, are you understood of the previous class, Gagan Sai? Are you understood?
Yes.
Introduction part 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, all are the topics with example problems. It's over in previous class. Are you any doubts? No doubts? Yeah, let us recall those are points in this session only. Okay? What are the first? What is quadrilateral? The concept of quadrilaterals. What are the collinear points? What are the non-collinear points? What are the quadrilaterals? How many types of quadrilaterals? What are the properties of quadrilaterals? What are the convex quadrilaterals? What are the concave quadrilaterals? And whenever the parallelogram one angle is give, how will you find out the remaining three angles? How will you find out it? Those are with example problems is also all our problems. It's over. All our topics and all our problems. It's over. Today once again let us recall those are points only. Are you understood in the previous class?
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Are you understood of the previous chapter? Triangle chapters?
Yes.
What are the triangles? What are the some properties of triangles?
Yes.
Those are topics it's over. What are the isosceles triangle? Do you know the isosceles triangle?
Yes.
In a triangle, any two sides are equal, then the triangle is called as the isosceles triangle. What are the some properties of isosceles triangle? Yeah, theorems. Do you know theorems, Gagan Sai? What are the theorems? The angle opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal only. We know that. And the sides opposite equal angles and isosceles triangle are equal. Those are properties of a triangles are all are. It's over in previous class. Okay, in previous chapter it's over. Are you understood previous chapter? In the chapter today we will learn the quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? Tell me the answer one by one, Gagan Sai.
A quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four line segments.
Bounded by a four line segments in a plane is called as the quadrilateral. Okay, look at this textbook, Gagan Sai. In page number in Telangana's textbook page number 174, some figures is given here. It is in the given textbook only. Look at these figures. 1 to 4 figures is given only in these figures. Do you know the collinear points and non-collinear points?
Yes.
What is the collinear points?
Points are lying in a same line or collinear points.
Points are lying on the same straight line or passing through the same straight line only. Those are points are called as the collinear points. What are the non-collinear points?
Points are not lying in a same line.
Points are not lying on the same straight line only. Not lying on the same straight line. Those are points are called as the non-collinear points only. What is the collinear word? Which comes from the collinear word? Latin word.
Latin word.
Collinear is a Latin word.
Yes. Col means together. Col
So
means
col and
together.
linear only. So what is the col meaning?
Together.
Together. What is the linear meaning?
In a line.
In the same line.
Same line.
Okay. same line. Ante lying in the points are lying in the same line only. Those are points is the collinear points only. Okay. Yeah, see the textbook examples. These are is the figures. Gagan say one by one look at this figure. First figure. What is this figure
Line
name?
segment.
Gagan say line segment. Yeah. Is it a collinear line segments or not collinear line segments?
Collinear line segment.
Collinear line segment. Why it is collinear line segments? Gagan say
The points are lying on the same line.
the points are lying on the same line only. So that's why it is a collinear line segments. Next, see the second figure. Gagan say, yeah, this is what is this figure name?
Triangle.
Triangle. So yeah, is it a collinear triangle or non-collinear triangle?
Collinear triangle.
Why it is collinear triangle?
Points are lying on the same line.
Same line only. These three points are lying on the same line. Other one is also. So it is a simple closed figure. It is a collinear triangle only. Next, look at this third figure. What is this figure name? Do you know this figure name? Quadrilateral. How many sides are there? Quadrilateral. Four sides are there only. Yeah, it is a collinear quadrilateral or non-collinear?
Non-collinear.
Why it is non-collinear?
The points are not lying on the same line.
Yeah, these are points. 4 points are not lying on the same straight line only. So that's why, yeah, it is a quadrilateral. It is a non-collinear only. Okay, non-collinear of quadrilateral. And next, fourth one, look at this figure. This figure name?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. So it is a collinear quadrilateral or non-collinear?
Non-collinear.
Non-collinear. Why it is non-collinear?
The points are not lying on the same straight line.
Same straight line only. So that's why it is a non-collinear quadrilateral only. Yeah, look at this figure. Yeah, third and fourth figure, is it a both or is it a same?
No.
Same figures or different figures?
Different figures.
Different figures. Yeah, these two are is the quadrilaterals. Today topic is the what's the quadrilateral topics only.
Okay.
So today discussing of these two figures only. Yeah, these two figures is the different figures. Shapes is also different only. Okay. Yeah, quadrilateral is two types quadrilaterals are there only. Yeah, what's the convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilaterals? Already quadrilateral topics already properties. What's the properties of quadrilaterals and convex quadrilateral, concave quadrilaterals? All are the topics. All are learned in the previous grade, 8th grade. It's over only. So what is convex quadrilateral? What is the concave quadrilateral? Tell me the answer. What?
Quadrilateral in which four angles are less than 180 degrees.
Quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral is how many sides are there? Four sides. Quadrilateral is a four sides with the interior angles. All interior angles is less than the 180 degrees only. And next, concave quadrilateral is the what's the? It is also how many sides are there? Four sides. Four sides.
One angle is more than 180 degrees.
Yeah, one angle is more than 180 degrees. Yeah, look at this figure, Gagan Sai. Yeah, this is the, what is this figure? Concave or convex? This is the concave figure only. Why it is concave? This is the one angle. These are the interior angles. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. One angle is, interior angle is greater than or more than the 180 degrees only. Okay. Yeah, in this, look at this figure, third figure. Yeah, these are the interior angles. How many interior angles are there? 4 interior angles are there only. All are the angles are less than 180 degrees. Okay. This is the convex quadrilateral. Okay, this is the convex quadrilateral. This is the concave quadrilaterals. Okay. In diagonals, see the diagonals in convex quadrilaterals. Diagonals are meet to each others only. Two diagonals are meet to each others in the convex quadrilaterals. But in a concave quadrilaterals, is diagonals are does not meet to each others. Okay. These diagonals does not meet to each others. These two diagonals is does not meet to each others only. Okay, that point is the very important point only. In convex quadrilaterals, let us take 2 points. Any 2 points, suppose there are 2 points in the quadrilateral or in the polygon. Okay, let us take 2 points and join these 2 points. And these line segments in the quadrilateral or in the polygon. Then this line segment is the convex line segment. Okay. Then this polygon is the convex polygon. Interior, the line segment is in the interior, in the polygon only. Interior in the quadrilateral. So that's why this is the convex quadrilateral. Are you clear? Yeah. Let us take, suppose this figure. Let us take this figure only. Let us take any 2 points in the quadrilateral or in the polygon and join these 2 points. These lines, this is the line segment. This line segment is interior in the quadrilateral only. So this is the convex quadrilateral. But other example, let us take 2 points, any 2 points, these 2 points, and this is the joining these 2 points. And this line segment is the inside in the quadrilateral or outside in the quadrilateral? Inside. Outside in the quadrilateral only. So this is the concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. This is the line segment is the concave quadrilateral. This is the convex quadrilateral. These line segments are interior in the quadrilateral. Is called as the convex quadrilateral. The line segments are outside in the figure or in the quadrilateral. This is the concave quadrilateral. Okay, what is the difference between the convex quadrilateral? What is the concave quadrilateral? Are you understood everything?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the very important only. At least one angle is more than 180 degrees in concave quadrilateral. Okay, in this convex quadrilateral is less than 180 degrees. All are the interior angles is less than 180 degrees. This is the very important only. These 2 points it's over. Are you clear? Next topic is what is the quadrilateral definition? It's over. How many sides are there in quadrilateral?
4.
4 sides. And how many angles are there?
4.
4 angles. How many vertices are there?
4.
4. How many diagonals are there?
2.
2 diagonals. Very good. Next topic is 8.2 topic. Properties of a quadrilaterals. What is the main property of a quadrilateral? What is the main property? Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai.
Main property of a quadrilateral. The sum of the all 4 angles are equals to 360 degrees.
The sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees or it's 4 right angles. Okay. Yeah, this is the 4. This is a one quadrilateral. Yeah, this is the 4. How many angles are there in this quadrilateral is 4 angles are there, interior angles only. Sum of the 4 interior angles are is equal to the 360 degrees only. That is the property of the quadrilateral. And this is also it's over. This theorem is also it's over. Okay. Yeah, let us take the ABCD triangle, and AC is the diagonal, and this diagonal is divided into the how many triangles are is divided? 2 triangles are is divided only. So one triangle is the ABC triangle, other triangle is the ADC triangle only. So that's why first let us take the ABC triangle, and what's the property are using in this triangle? Some angle sum property are using in these 2 triangles only. So that's why by using that angle sum property, sum of the 3 angles are is it equal to 180 degrees only. Okay. So first let us take the one triangle. Let us take it, and sum of the 3 angles it's over. This theorem it's over only. Okay. 180 degrees, and let us take the ADC triangle. That is also it's over. And next adding up the equation 1 and 2, and then we will get the how much of degrees we will get it? 360 degrees. It's over. This theorem it's over. And next, different types of quadrilaterals. 8.3. How many different types of quadrilaterals in the chapter? 6. different types of quadrilaterals. What is the names quadrilaterals? Yeah, figures is, look at these figures Gagan sai. 1 to r 6 types of quadrilaterals is given one by one. What is this figure name?
Trapezium.
Trapezium. What is this one?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. What is this one? Rectangle. What is this figure name? Rhombus. What is this one?
Sphere.
Square. What is this one?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. These all are the different types of quadrilaterals only. And their properties is also it's over. In previous grade is 8th standard is it's over, and in previous class is also it's over. Yesterday class is also it's over. All are the properties of the all are the different types of quadrilaterals. It's over. Okay. And next, these all are topics, and other examples problems is also it's over. And in a parallelogram, one angle is given. How to find out the remaining 3 angles? How to find out it? That is also it's with the examples. All are with the examples. It's over. And next, today we will learn the exercise problems 8.1 and first and second bit only. Okay. All are today we will learn it only. First question and second question only. Properties. In this first one is the trapezium properties. Once let us recall the properties Gagan sai in this session. This is the trapezium. What is the definition of the trapezium? Tell me the answer.
Trapezium, a quadrilateral in which one pair of sides are parallel is called as trapezium.
Yeah, very good. It is a quadrilateral. These all are the quadrilaterals only. Okay. All are the closed figures only. Quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, in which the one pair of opposite sides are equal. Then the figure is called as the what's the trapezium.
Trapezium.
Okay, are you clear? In trapezium, opposite sides are is equal only. Next, diagonals are, is it equal or not? Not equal only. Why it is not equal? Here these two diagonals are intersecting at point O point, and here it is the OC is not equal to OA, and OD is not equal to OB only. So diagonals are is not equal. And next, angles is all are not equal only. In trapezium all our angles are is not equal only. Okay. The sum of the two adjacent angles are is it equal 180 degree. These two angles, sum of these two, angle A plus angle D is equal to supplement are 180 degrees only. Okay. Are you clear Gagan sai? And next, isosceles trapezium. What is the isosceles trapezium?
Isosceles trapezium. Trapezium in which both not parallel sides are equal.
Yeah, isosceles trapezium. Trapezium means is the one pair of opposite sides are parallel only. So in trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal. Then the figure is called as the isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides means is the, here it is in this figure is the AD is equal to BC only. So that's why this is the isosceles trapezium. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, next figure is the, what is the parallelogram? What is the parallelogram? Tell me the answer Gagan sai.
The quadrilateral in which two pairs are parallel to each other.
In quadrilateral, opposite two pairs of sides are parallel. Then the figure is called as the parallelogram. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, next. Here it is the opposite parallel sides. Here it is the AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC only. Diagonals. Look at these diagonals Gagan sai. These two are the, what are the diagonals? These two are is the diagonals only. AC and BD. In this parallelogram, sides is the opposite two pairs of sides are equal only. Equal or parallel only. Next, angles. All are the angles. Opposite angles are is it equal. AC is the angle A equal to angle C, and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. Angle, opposite angles are is it equal only. And next, adjacent angles. angle A plus angle D. Otherwise, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees or supplementary one. Okay, sum of the two adjacent angles is equal to supplementary. Okay, are you clear? Diagonals. Diagonals are, here it is the equal diagonals. No, it is not equal diagonals. Diagonals are not equal only. So diagonals are bisect to each other only. Here it is the OC is equal to AO or OB is equal to OD. Bisect means is the equal only. These diagonals are divided into the equal parts. This part and this one. This is equal only. Okay, are clear?
Yes.
And next third figure. What is the third figure? What is the name? Rectangle. What is the definition of the rectangle?
A parallelogram in which one angle is right angle is called as rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Is it a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, it is a parallelogram. Why it is parallelogram? Whenever this symbol is given, arrow symbols is given, double arrow symbol and single arrow symbol. So these two sides are is parallel sides or equal sides only. Okay, are clear? So this is also same type of this one only, parallelogram side. Same type only. Why? Because here it is also double arrow symbols there and single arrow symbols are there only. So that's why this is also, it is a parallelogram. But one condition is, in this parallelogram is, here it is the angles are is not equal only. But in the rectangle is, all are the angles, each angle is 90 degrees only. All are the angles are is equal angles. Okay, diagonals. Sides are is the opposite sides are parallel or equal only. Here it is the A, here it is the HG is equal to EF and HE equal to GF one. Okay. Yeah, next angles. Angles are, each angles are is it equal to 90 degrees. Angle H, angle G, angle E and angle F is equal to 90 degrees only. Next diagonal. What's the diagonals? Diagonals are intersecting with each others at point O point. In this rectangle, diagonals are equal only. In parallelogram, but diagonals are not equal. But here it is the in bisect. Diagonals are bisected to each others only. And rectangle. So bisected to each others means the OF is equal to OH and OE is equal to OG one. Okay, are you clear? What is the difference between these two? Are you understood? Yeah, sides, angles and diagonals. One by one. That is the properties. Each figure properties, definitions and their properties. Once again, today let us recall those are points only. Why? Because they are based on these are topics. Today we will learn the exercise problems only. So next, what is this figure? Fourth figure. What is this figure?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Tell me the rhombus definition.
Parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal to each other is called rhombus.
Yeah, it is is it a parallelogram?
Yeah.
Yes, it is also parallelogram. Why it is a parallelogram? This is also is opposite sides. Opposite arrow marks is given. Whenever this type of arrow marks is given, these two sides and these two opposite sides are is it equal. So here it is also parallelogram only. This rhombus is also parallelogram. And next, these two sides. What's the sides? DC is equal to AB and DA is equal to BC only. So angles. What's the angles? In this angles is the opposite angles are is it equal only. Okay.
Yes.
In rhombus, opposite angles are is it equal only. And next, at the adjacent angles, sum of the adjacent angles are is equal to supplementary. Angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Either this side is also angle D is plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. And next, diagonals are, here it is the bisect each other only. Okay. Each of another. And diagonals are perpendicular, bisect of each of one another only. Perpendicular only. These two diagonals are perpendicular and bisect to each other only. Okay. Yeah, diagonals are, is it equal? It is not equal only.
Yes.
Yeah, why? Because here it AC is diagonal is not equal to BD only. This is the big length only. This is the short length only. So that's why diagonals are not equal, but diagonals are perpendicular only. At point O point, at right angle. At right angle, diagonals are perpendicular and bisect to each others only. At OA is equal to OC only. Okay. OB is equal to OD. Bisect means that is the bisect only. And next look at this figure, fifth figure. Gagan say, what is this figure? Name?
Square.
Square. Is it a parallelogram or not?
Yes.
Yes, parallelogram. Why it is? Why it is parallelogram?
A parallelogram.
Yeah, this is also opposite. Two pairs of parallel sides are parallel only or equal only. So that's why it is a, what's the parallelogram?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me the definition.
A parallelogram in which the adjacent sides are equal and one angle is right angle is called as P.
Very good. Square only. Yeah, all are the, in squares is all are the sides are, is it equal only. Okay. All are the angles is also equal only. What's the angles? Each angle is 90 degrees only. Okay. And next, yeah, all are the, this side, all are the sides are, is it equal? And two sides are opposite sides and two pairs of opposite sides are, is it equal only or parallel also. Okay. And next, angles is the all, each angle is 90 degrees only.
Yes.
Yeah, next. And next is the diagonals. Diagonals are, is it equal? Yes, is it equal? Diagonals are, is it equal only? Diagonals are, is it equal? And angles also equal only. And diagonals are bisect to each others. Perpendicular and bisect to each others only. Okay. What is the difference between these two figures? And fifth figure and fourth figure, what is the difference between these two? Rhombus and square. In the square is all are the diagonals are, is it equal only? At right angle. Okay. Diagonals are perpendicular and bisect of each others only. So here it is that OB is equal to OD and AO is equal to OC only. Okay. In rhombus, but is all are the diagonals are, is it not equal only, but perpendicular and bisectors only, but not equal only. Diagonals are is not equal only. That is the main difference. These two only. Are you clear? Yeah, this is the third and fourth and fifth figure. These all are, is the three figures are, is it a parallelograms only. Okay. And next, sixth figure. What is this figure name?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. What is the definition of this kite? Gagan side. Previous class it's over. All are their definitions it's over.
A quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal is called kite.
Very good. Here it is the two pairs of adjacent sides are, is it equal? So AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. Adjacent sides are equal. And next, yeah, this is the isosceles triangle. Okay. Sides opposite angles are, is it? What's that? Equal. Equal angle only. This is also isosceles triangle. Above and below also isosceles triangle only. Angle opposite to sides are equal. And this is also angle opposite to sides are equal. Okay. Yeah, this is the two angles. Opposite angles are, is it equal only? What's the angle? B is equal to angle D. Okay. Sides. Adjacent sides are, is it equal only? Next, angles. What's the angles? Angles here it is the opposite angles are, is it equal? Angle B is equal to angle D only. Next, diagonals. What is the diagonals? Gagan say here it is the only one diagonal perpendicular bisect to each others. Here it is the bisect means is the OB is equal to OD and diagonals are, is it equal? No, it is not equal only. Why it is not equal? This is the AO is a short length only. This is the OC is the longest length only. So diagonals are not equal only. But only one diagonal perpendicular and bisector. Okay. Yeah. Are you clear? Are you understood, Gagan sir? This is the in a rhombus one pair of adjacent sides are equal only. But in the two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, in the kite only. Here these all are the properties. Different types of quadrilaterals, names and their properties, and it's over. Okay. Yeah, based on those topics, today we will learn the exercise problems one by one. Today we will learn it. First question and second question only. Look at this textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. First one. State whether the statement are true or false. First statement. Every parallelogram is a trapezium. Every parallelogram is a trapezium. Parallelogram means is the, what's the parallelogram? See the figure Gagan say, parallelogram means is the pair of opposite parallel sides are is equal only. Parallelogram. Is a trapezium. Trapezium means is the one pair of opposite sides are equal only. But here it is the one pair is also is there only in the parallelogram. One pair is there. So that's why parallelogram is a trapezium. Yes. Is a trapezium only. Why it is a trapezium? Why here it is the one pair of opposite pair is the trapezium only. So here it is the parallelogram is the two pairs opposite two pairs are parallel only. Opposite sides of two pairs are parallel only. This statement is true or false? True. Okay, are clear? Next statement, second statement. All parallelograms are quadrilaterals.
True.
All parallelograms are quadrilaterals. Parallelograms means is the, what's the parallelograms means? Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel only. Parallelogram. Okay, quadrilateral means is the parallelograms is the, how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. Quadrilateral is also, how many sides are there? 4 sides. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral. All parallelograms are a quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral. Why? Because in all parallelograms are the 4 sides and all quadrilaterals is also 4 sides. So that's why this statement is true. Is it true or false? True only. Next, third statement. All trapeziums are parallelograms. All trapeziums. Trapeziums are parallelograms. Here it is the first question. This is the opposite one. All trapeziums are parallelograms. First statement is that every parallelogram is a trapezium. Third statement is that all trapeziums are parallelogram. Trapezium means is the one pair of opposite of one pair of side are parallel only. Okay. But in the parallelograms is the two pairs of sides. It is possible. Is in the trapezium parallelograms, is it possible? No, not possible only. Why it is not possible? It is the only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, not another pair. Here it is the parallelograms, the two pair of opposite sides are parallel only. But in trapezium is only one pair of opposite sides are parallel only. One more is not there only in trapezium. So that's why, what's the here statement is, what is given here? It is all trapeziums are, is it a parallelograms? No, all trapeziums are a parallelogram. Is this statement, is it a true or false? False. Are you understood this concept? Trapezium means is the only one pair of opposite sides are equal only. But in parallelograms is the both pair of opposite sides are parallel only. So that's why it is not possible only. So it is the false. And next we will move on to the next fourth statement. A square is a rhombus. Square is a rhombus.
Yes.
Yes, square is a rhombus. Square means is the all are the sides are, is it equal? And rhombus is also all are the sides are is also equal only.
True.
Yeah, look at these figures Gagan says. See squares and rhombus. All are the figures. It is a parallelograms and opposite sides and opposite angles is also equal. These two figures only. Okay, and sides is also equal only. Diagonals are perpendicular only in these two figures. So that's why what is given here? It is a square is a rhombus. Every square is a rhombus. But every rhombus is need not be a square. Okay, yeah, this is the fourth statement. A square is a rhombus is given. So this statement is true or false? True. Every square is a rhombus. It is possible only. Yeah, next fifth statement. Every rhombus is a square. It is not possible. Every rhombus is not a square. Why it is not a square? Look at this square and rhombus figures. Gagan side. See the textbook page number 175. These two only. Let us take these two, rhombus and square only. Yeah, opposite sides are, is it parallel or equal only? Angles also equal, and diagonals is perpendicular only in these two diagonals. But diagonals are not equal in rhombus. In our square is diagonals are equal only. That is the main difference between these two figures only. So that's why every rhombus is need not be a square. Okay, but in given statement is a square is given only. Every rhombus is a square is given. So that's why this statement is it true or false? False. Why it is false? Every rhombus is need not be a square. Every square is a rhombus, but every rhombus is need not be a square only. So that's why this statement is false. Next, sixth statement. Are parallelograms are rectangles? Parallelograms are rectangles?
False.
Parallelograms means is the what's the parallelograms? Opposite. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel only. But look at this figure, parallelograms and rectangle. Look at these two figures, Gagan side. Okay, sides are opposite sides are is parallel. It's okay. But diagonals, it's okay. But in parallelogram, each angle is not 90 degrees only. But in rectangle, each angle is 90 degrees. Okay. But in a parallelogram, all are the angles is not equal in parallelogram. But in our rectangle is all are the angles is equal to 90 degrees only. So all parallelograms are rectangle is given in this given statement. So not all parallelograms are not rectangles only. Why? Because this statement is false. Why? Because in rectangles is all are the angles is 90 degrees only. Okay, but in parallelograms is all are the different angles are there only. So that's why this statement is false. Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, this bit for 6 statements is solutions is 4, and next we'll move on to the second bit only. Complete the following table by writing S if the property holds for the particular quadrilateral and no if property does not holds. Yeah, this is the second bit. Yeah, one tabular form is given, Gagan side. Yeah, this is the table. What is the first column is properties, and second one is the trapezium, third one parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, squares. Here these all are is the what is the convex quadrilaterals only. Okay, not concave quadrilaterals. In concave quadrilaterals is rarely are used. All are the convex quadrilaterals topic in this chapter today. All are the convex quadrilaterals only. All are discussed only. These all are the convex quadrilaterals. Why it is the convex quadrilaterals? All are the interior only. Interior of these diagonals only. All are the interior, not outside only. So that's why these all are the convex quadrilaterals only. Are you clear?
Yes.
That is also very important only. Yeah, those are points are remembering. Okay, don't forgetting those are points. Keep in your mind once all are the points. Okay. Yeah, next rhombus, rectangle, square only. Next these are the properties is give. Yeah, A to J, and one by one fill it only. These all are the tabular form. If this properties is satisfied, if it is satisfied, yes only. If these properties are it is not satisfied, no. Okay, one by one figures. All are the properties. First figure is trapezium only. First property, check it only. If these all are properties are satisfied or not. One by one, check it only. If it's all are satisfied, say yes. All are is not satisfied, say write it the no only. each column and wise you write it only one by one only. Okay. Here first property, first trapezium. First one is only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Look at this, the trapezium figure, Gagan side. Now see in page number 175. Look at this figure. One pair of opposite sides are, is it parallel? Yes. So this property is satisfied? Yes, satisfied only. So satisfied, if you are satisfied, you write it the yes, yes. You write it yes only. And next B property. What's the property? Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel.
No.
Is it this property is it satisfied in trapezium? Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel? No, it is not. Here it is only one pair of opposite sides are parallel is given. But in here two pairs are not there in trapezium only. So this property is satisfied or not? No, not satisfied only. So that's why I write it the no only. This property is not satisfied, you write it no only. And next C property. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in this one?
No.
Opposite sides are not equal only. Okay. One pair of opposite sides are equal only. There is one pair of opposite sides are parallel, but the opposite sides are not equal only. This is the short, this is the length only. So that's why it are not equal. And next D1. Opposite angles are equal?
No.
Opposite angles are, is it equal in trapezium? Opposite angles are is not equal only. This angle and this. All our angles are is the different angles only, but not equal only. Our opposite angles are is it not equal. So that's why it is no only. And next E. Adjacent angles are supplementary? No. In trapezium is angle A plus angle B. It is not 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle D are supplementary. So that's why no. In trapezium it is not possible. Next F. Diagonals are bisect each other?
No.